Hi friends, Natalie here of Chef Equation. If you've been wondering how you can get your business information on the top of your quotes, it's actually quite simple. While we're looking at our edit orders, you don't see anything up here. It's because our business information hides out above this header line. But when you print your quotes, if you have your profile information already set up, you're going to find your business information in the top right corner of your PDFs and downloads, as well as your printed materials. To make this happen, click on your profile, come down to Manage Your Subscription, click on Account Information, and if you don't see anything yet, it's probably just your email address. Click on that line, and here you have the option to fill in all of your contact details and select Update. Once it's updated, refresh your screen, and once it has fully refreshed, when you print your quotes, you'll see your business information, your contact, telephone number, and your address in the top right corner of your quote sheets. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for your feedback. We appreciate knowing how we can improve the app and make it better for you. Have a wonderful day.